Hi friends, this is Veera. We are going to now see about my final year project. My project title is Self-Adaptive Content Aware Routing Protocol for Intermediately Connected Mobile Network. My main domain is networking. Now we are going to first of all see about my project. First we want to three users. First of all, one is sender, another one is intermediate, the third one is receiver. First we are going to run sender. The sender, first of all, we're going to run a project, then we're going to log in. We're going to registration page. Now the register, we're going to give a name and a password and retype your password, and going to give a security question also. The security question is used for retrieving his registration, and the mobile number is also used for and we're going to log in the login ID, and finally we give to password, and finally submit button. After we're going to login page, the sender find notes, and no network are founded. Finally filter page. After we're going to select browse your file, after send contact statics, and the another one user is going to log in. The user also, the authorized person mean he allowed to access, and he is intermediate, and finally he selected intermediate options. He also select one intermediate, that is used for send a file one system to another system. Is the easy way to sending a file, because this is main way for successfully send a message one system to another system. And we going to select intermediate and send request, and finally send. After the intermediate file successfully received, and another one user, we want to receiving a file. The user also giving a username and a password. The persons are authorized person mean he also allowed to access. After he going to select a receiving file path, we select a receiving file path. After start receiver, and we going to intermediate can select a intermediate for send a project to receiver path. So send request, and finally send a file, and we going to the receiver can receive a file successfully. And finally we're going to open your project file path, and the file displayed now. After the sender, we want to acknowledgement, so he verify the file is send out or not. The sender, the receiver send acknowledgement to the sender. The file can be successfully received by the sender. Thank you. And now we're going to close the all files. After this is my final year project. For seeing this video, thank you friends, all of you. Once again I am telling thank you.